Have you ever wondered how Toyota, a name synonymous with quality and reliability, came into existence? The story begins in the early 20th century, in a small textile company in Japan, run by a visionary named Kiichiro Toyoda. This company was not making cars, but rather, they were manufacturing looms. Yes, you heard it right, looms. The same machines used to weave fabric. Kiichiro, however, had a dream bigger than textiles. He saw an opportunity in the nascent automobile industry and decided to make a bold transition. In 1937, Kiichiro's vision came to fruition, marking the birth of Toyota Motor Corporation. A leap of faith that took Toyota from the textile mills of Japan to the bustling automotive factories that we associate with the brand today. Thus, from a small loom manufacturer, the seeds for the world's largest automobile manufacturer were sown. What sets Toyota apart from other automobile manufacturers? It's a unique philosophy called the Toyota Way. The Toyota Way, established over 7 decades ago, is a set of principles that has shaped the company's culture. It's not just a production system, but a philosophy, a mindset that guides every decision at Toyota. At its heart lies 2 main pillars: continuous improvement and respect for people. Continuous improvement, or Kaizen, is an unending quest for perfection. It's about never being satisfied with the status quo, always seeking ways to improve, to make things better, faster, cheaper, and easier. This drive for improvement is embodied in the Toyota Production System, a revolutionary approach to manufacturing that focuses on eliminating waste, improving efficiency, and maximizing value. It's a system that has transformed not only Toyota, but the entire auto industry and beyond. The second pillar, respect for people, is equally important. Toyota believes that its greatest asset is its people. The company is committed to fostering an environment where employees can grow, contribute, and feel valued. This respect extends beyond Toyota's walls to its customers, suppliers, and the communities in which it operates. The Toyota Way goes beyond cars and manufacturing. It's about a commitment to excellence, a dedication to innovation, and a deep respect for people. These principles have guided Toyota from its humble beginnings to its position as a global leader in the automotive industry. The Toyota Way is not just a production system but a philosophy, a mindset that guides every decision at Toyota. Toyota's commitment to innovation has revolutionized the automotive industry time and again. This drive for innovation is deeply rooted in Toyota's DNA, dating back to its transition from textiles to automobiles. Toyota's visionaries saw the potential of automobiles to transform society and dedicated their efforts to make this vision a reality. They started with the Model AA, an affordable and reliable vehicle that was within reach for the masses. But Toyota didn't stop there. Their commitment to innovation pushed them to explore new frontiers in automotive technology. This led to the birth of the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid car. The Prius was a game-changer, redefining what was possible in terms of fuel efficiency and environmental impact. Toyota's innovation journey goes beyond vehicles. They have made groundbreaking advancements in safety technology, setting new standards for the industry. Toyota's research and development efforts are also focused on alternative propulsion systems, looking at ways to reduce our dependency on fossil fuels and move towards a more sustainable future. The company's vision for the future is centered on autonomous driving technology. Toyota believes in a future where cars are not just modes of transport, but partners in our daily lives. Toyota's relentless pursuit of innovation continues to set new benchmarks in the automotive industry. Their story is a testament to the power of innovation to transform industries and societies, and they continue to drive this transformation with every car they build. Toyota's influence extends beyond Japan, reaching every corner of the globe. As the company grew, so did its footprint, with manufacturing plants and research facilities established worldwide. This expansion wasn't just about producing cars and innovating technology. It was about fostering economic growth and creating jobs. From the bustling factories in North America to the cutting-edge research hub in Europe, Toyota's presence has been a catalyst for development. In Africa, Asia, and Latin America, Toyota's manufacturing plants have offered employment opportunities, contributing significantly to local economies. But Toyota's global reach isn't just about economics. It's about engaging with communities, understanding their needs, and delivering products that enhance their lives. It's about being a responsible corporate citizen, committed to sustainability, and respectful of the cultures where it operates. Toyota's global reach is a testament to its commitment to delivering quality and value to people everywhere. This is a company that truly understands the power of being a global force. Like any great entity, Toyota has faced its share of challenges. From product recalls to natural disasters, the road has not always been smooth. But what sets Toyota apart is not the absence of obstacles, but how it addresses them. In the face of adversity, Toyota has consistently demonstrated resilience and innovation. When recalls threatened its reputation for quality, Toyota took responsibility, made amends, and learned from the experience. The company improved its quality control systems and reaffirmed its commitment to customer safety. When natural disasters disrupted supply chains and halted production, Toyota didn't simply rebuild, it innovated. The company developed a more flexible production system, able to adapt and respond to unexpected disruptions. Each challenge has been a catalyst for change, driving Toyota to continually improve and adapt. This resilience, born from a commitment to the principle of Kaizen or continuous improvement, is a core part of the Toyota ethos. Toyota's resilience, combined with its commitment to quality and innovation, has allowed it to weather storms and emerge stronger. As we look to the future, Toyota continues to pave the way. Never one to rest on its laurels, the automaker is fueling a revolution, pushing the boundaries of innovation, sustainability, and mobility. The heart of Toyota's vision lies in its unwavering commitment to creating a greener future. With an ambitious target to achieve zero carbon emissions in all its operations and activities, Toyota is leading the charge in promoting eco-friendly practices. But that's not all. The company is also pioneering future mobility solutions, developing advanced technologies that will redefine how we travel. From autonomous driving to alternative propulsion systems, Toyota is not just imagining the future, it's building it. And in doing so, it's shaping a world where cars are not just machines, but partners in our quest for a better tomorrow. With its eyes firmly set on the future, Toyota continues to drive towards a more sustainable, connected world.